Pag ito, hindi na pirmahan
Huwag niyong paspasin.
by January 1, okay, edi balik yung dati.
Basta huwag niyong paspasin kasi
Oo.
we know our legislature as rubber stamp already is being sip-sip somehow. They say, I mean, there have been suspicions. Pero in fairness to Marcos, parang he is not playing as if it's very obvious na, I don't know. Kasi parang he is being the check here. He is being the balance. Parang, okay, I'm going to gatekeep whatever your rubber stamp legislation produces. Kasi you've already ratified in your court. Pero now na parang sinasabi niyo, okay, i-reviewin ko. Pero tapos na ng 2024. You got my...
December 31 niya pinirmahan, no?
Oo. Parang kunwari,
Clutch na clutch.
merong somehow, merong preponderance.
Preponderance!
Hindi preponderance wala yung bobo. Hindi, parang deliberation, nag-deliberate na ganyan. Kasi,
Pero in fairness talaga sa batas natin, no? Pag walang na-ratify, yung huling, yung 2024, yung huling budget, no, na GAA, no? Unlike sa ibang bansa, like sa US, pag wala na pag-agreeang budget, government shutdown agad, no? Di ba? But, ayun na nga, tawag dito.
basta huwag nilang paspasin, bro.
Oo, tama naman na wag paspasin. Pero, enough ba yung 1 week to
To deliberate?
deliberate and to impose revisions?
Ikaw na ba nila katagal ipinasayan sa Kongreso?
Ang tagal, bro. Bun yan.
Oo nga, I mean, gano'n nga katagal in relation to the previous Congresses and the previous deliberations on the budget?
Hindi ba it took months?
And while we are at it, gaano ba kadami yung unprogrammed funds dati?
Ayun, hindi ko alam.
O,
Alam
di
mo
ba?
ba?
ang program funds ngayon, it's parang, it's sky high.
Oh,
It's
that's a
on a rocket-
300 something
It's
billion.
on a rocket ship, bro. Duterte even had asked for less, but he was given by just a notch over what he asked for. Pero with Marcos, ang taas ang program
taas
funds.
masyado.
And they were asking, bakit?
Saan mapupunta?
Bakit mataas?
Ano ang
Mapupunta sa mga
paggagamitan?
ehensya, syempre. Pero yung mga ano, kasi it was appropriated, but there's no budget for it yet. Pero kapag if the need arises,
Andyan.
may budget.
May budget.
Magkakaroon ng budget kasi in terms of, let's say, there's an excess in the collections of the BIR, in the government revenues, or if there are surpluses in foreign aid and investments also.